Hi everyone, my name is Christina Moresi. I am the Environmental Education Planner at the Wissahickon Environmental Center. Today we are going to read Everyday Birds by Amy Ludwig VanDerwater with cut illustrations by Dylan Mitrano. After we are finished reading the book, we are going to look at some photos of the same birds but at the Environmental Center. Every day we watch for birds weaving through the sky. We listen to their calls and songs. We like to see them fly. Chickadee wears a wee black cap. Jay is loud and bold. Nuthatch perches upside down. Finch is clothed in gold. Hawk hunts every day for prey. Cardinal flashes fire. Woodpecker taps hollow trees. Crow rests on a wire. Heron fishes with his bill. Sparrow hops in brown. Mockingbird has many voices. Pigeon lives in town. Eagle soars above the land. Oriole hangs her nest. Owl swoops soundlessly late at night. Robin puffs his chest. Hummingbird drinks flower nectar. Goose flies in a V. Bluebird sleeps at meadow's edge. Gull stares at the sea. Every day we watch for birds living right outside our door. We pay attention to the birds. Every day we learn some more. The end.